Hello guys, this is a Mainstays 9-inch box fan. As you could see right there, here's the front of the box. Here's this side of the box. Here's the back of the box. Yup, for some reason it has a little bit of dirt, but I'm not gonna stress out. No way. And here's the other side of the box. Alright, now let's get unboxing. It says, "Thank you for your purchase." And here's the fan. Let me put the phone down for a second. It looks nice. Wow, that fan looks nice. Wow, this fan looks nice. I'm gonna show you the fan. Let's move the box right there. Put that away. And also, you got the instruction manual right there. But first, let's take a look of that first. And also, it's a stop in the infantry, and that you have a problem or question about your unit. Please comment, or Mainstays Customer Care Center. We are always happy to help. Call toll free 1-866-321-9509. Monday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. CST. Alright, so let's get this untied. Put that away. Wow. there's the plastic right there. Let me take that off first. Oh my God. There we go. At the fan, here at the, yup. Now let's see the actual fan. As you could see at the fan, here's the front. Here's this side. And here's the back of the fan. And here's, yup, and here's, yup, and here's the other side. We're going to take a look. Information. I'm good. Yup, that's information. Alright. As you can see, it's got a little handle right there. And I'll show you at the light. It's got 2 off positions, 2 low positions, 2 medium positions, and 2 high positions. Wow, yup, the power cord looks nice. Alright, let's give it a test. Alright, at the fan. Alright, we're gonna test it, see it works. Alright, at the fan, let's test it, see it works. Alright, at the fan, let's test the fan, see it works. And at the fan, we will start. Yup, at the fan, we will start on low. Wow, it's quiet too. I really like this fan. The air's powerful and it's quiet too. Yup, at the air, this fan is powerful and it's quiet too. Yup, the fan is Yup, this fan is powerful and it's quiet too. Alright, and now we're going to go to medium. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and go to high. As you could see, this is high. At the speed, as you could see, this is high. And off. Alright, and now I'm going to show you the start sound in the back. I'm going to bring the phone closer so you could catch the sound. Alright, at the start sound, and we'll start on high. Wow, the spin down is good. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to link, and remember to comment. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.